Smile lang, smile. Smile lang, ha?
Say cheese.
When you looked me in the eyes and you said it, and your face can say it all. So I'm
Wow!
willing to
Thank you!
steer away when
Thank
you
you,
know where to find you.
Bongga naman ni Monmon, may paganto pa. My dearest Hazel, I hope that you like my gift. Let this be the sign that I will always hold you and embrace you for the rest of my life. Ang cheesy! Happy anniversary. Love, Richmond. Sweet.
Not brighter than the stars, I'll finish what I started. And if you lose your way, you'll know where to find me.
Iyak.
In the dark of the night.
My dearest Hazel, today, as we stand here surrounded by love and witnessed by our beloved friends and family, I surrender my heart, soul, and my entire being to you. I thank God for your life, and I thank Him kasi maaga kanyang pinakilala sa akin. Mainit mo sa ano?
This is from the bride.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi, love. Excited na ako mamaya. Sana magustuhan mo tong gift ko. See you later. I love you so much. Hazel.
You welcomed me. I heard you speak my name. The thunder and lightning.
Thank God kasi binigay niya yung panalangin ko na makasama ka habang buhay. Ikaw ang rason kung bakit nabubuhay ako. Ikaw yung naging lakas, sandalan at suporta ko sa mga panahong kina-question ko ang sarili ko. You have made me a better man.
Follow the light, come back home. In the dark of the night, follow the light, come back.
Hi, love. Happy anniversary. 14 years ago, nung una tayong nagkakilala. Mag-classmate pa tayo noon. Akalain mo bang crush mo pala ako noon?
Thank you kasi pinalaki mo kaming maayos. Di mo kami tinipid sa pagmamahal at pag-aalaga mo. Kaya maraming salamat sa'yo, ha? I love you so much.
Everything around you fades into the wind, and my heart is thrown open. Feels like slow motion.
Dahil walang araw na hindi mo ko inasar. I prayed to God for a companion who could understand me and accept me as I am. Who would share laughter and tears. At ikaw yung binigay niya. And now we are celebrating our 13 years together.
When I fall to pieces,
Maraming challenges na dumaan pero mas pinatibay nito yung samahan at love natin para sa isa't isa. Before everything else, I thank God for this opportunity to get married. Kasi hindi ko na-imagine to noong bata pa ako. Pero truly God is able to do for more abundantly than all that we ask or think. Because I get to marry my best friend and truly godly man.
I never knew the feeling until you. Every time the first time
ikaw at ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko. Ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko kahit bigyan pa ako ni Lord ng maraming pagkakataon mabuhay.
Kaya Mr. Richmond Randan, you may now kiss your wife.
Kaya pinapangako ko sa iyo sa harap ng mga mahal at importante sa buhay natin na mamahalin at aalagaan kita ng buong puso. I will cherish and honor you for all the days of my life.
Since I get lost in hypnotized, floating in a starry night. Your gravity is paradise. I get lost in my imagination. All moments reawaken, consciously captivated when you're on my mind. Every wall is breaking, endlessly rearranging this world that we're creating in my imagination.
Thank you for loving me. Thank you for being a good father to Joaquin. You are my strength and happiness, love. I promise to be there to catch you if you could stumble. I promise to be patient and remember that all things between us are rooted in love. And I promise to be with you for all of the eternity.
In my imagination, all moments reawaken, consciously captivated when you're on my mind. Every wall is breaking, endlessly rearranging this world that we're creating.
Pinapangako sa iyo na palagi kitang uunahin, ikaw, ni Joaquin, at ng mga magiging anak pa natin. And today, I will honor every word that I said. I love you to the moon and back.